Hi everyone, welcome back to Keto with Lee, your low-carb lifestyle channel. On today's video recipe, you will see my oldest son, Elijah. He is 15 years old, soon to be 16. He is amazing, he is handsome, and I love him so much. He is the first one to make me a mommy. I have 3 boys, guys. Whew. Anyway, he is going to be showing us how he makes his buffalo wing sauce, and it is super easy, super flavorful, and if he can do it, guys, so can you. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. I'm also doing DIY detergents, which you should have already seen a couple videos, and spread the love. It is totally free, guys, to subscribe and share these videos. Help us out. Everyone is going through something, and hopefully this helps someone make their own things, right? That's what we're all about here in our home, helping others. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. It is totally free to do so. You can find the written recipe at www.ketowithlee.us. I love this guy. I love all of them. Love you all. Thank you for supporting our channel, and let's get right into it. Alright, so what he's doing is what I've shown you guys before, where you fold up the sides and you go ahead and you put it in the air fryer. And did you put any seasoning on your wings?
No, but if y'all want to, you can.
Okay, so tell us why you didn't.
Because the sauce and butter I'm using has salt, and that already has pepper, so I don't want to put extra to make it more salty.
Now what are we doing here?
I put it for 15 degrees.
15 degrees?
Or 15 minutes first.
On what
degree?
How
they come out. On 450.
450, we're air frying, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're gonna see how he does his sauce.
1/3.
So now we're gonna find out how Elijah makes his sauce. And what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm doing the measurements for the butter.
Okay, and how much butter are we putting?
3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons, and how much of the
12 fluid ounces of hot sauce.
And you can use your favorite hot sauce, or does it have to be that one?
No, I like Texas Pete and Red Hot.
You like both of those? So
that's how I
he's made it with Red Hot before, Texas Pete before, and he likes Red Hot as well. You should make some. Oh, he's making it right now. All right, so we're off to the stove.
Okay, so for this, I put it on a low simmer. Low. All right, cool. So it's on low. I'm gonna grab my butter. You can put the butter or the sauce in first, it doesn't really matter.
Butter or the sauce first?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm learning along with you guys.
Actually, you know what? Let me go to medium just to melt the butter faster.
So medium heat in a pan. We got 3 tablespoons of butter. And then
You're gonna want to wait for it to melt.
we're gonna melt that butter. Now as he's melting it, I want you to know that he did not, in case you missed it, he did not put any seasoning on his wings or breading. Ooh. Because there's a lot of sodium in the butter. The butter is salted that he's using. And there's a lot of sodium in the hot sauce.
A lot.
A lot.
Be careful, children. That's a lot of sodium. What happened? I like this.
The sizzle?
Yeah.
You don't want to burn your butter.
I think I just got a text message.
So what did you just finish saying?
Buffalo sauce is butter and hot sauce.
And that's all you need, guys. You need 2 ingredients: butter and hot sauce. That's how you make buffalo sauce.
Unsalted or salted, depends on what you like.
It depends on what you like. All right, now that it's melted, You reduce the fire to what?
Low.
To low. And now what we doing?
Now I'm just gonna pop this open and pour the whole bottle in because it's all 12 ounces.
All right.
There you go.
And then
Stir it around a bit. The color should be, it should be like this. Nice and orange, like regular buffalo sauce.
it's still red to me.
No, it's orange. There's gonna be a little bit of butter, like little chunks of butter left. So if you want to put the fire up, I'm gonna put the fire up a little bit more, just to get those little bits of butter melted.
We're almost at a medium. He put the fire back up to almost at a medium, just to get the rest of the butter melted, like he said.
Yeah. If it's too red, you can add more butter. If it's not red enough, well, that's tough.
So basically, he put 3 tablespoons of butter. That's what he started with. Last time he went up to how many tablespoons? Like half a stick?
Yeah, I think half a stick.
Half a stick of butter. So it was
But I didn't put the whole.
tablespoons.
But I didn't put the whole bottle of
Hot sauce. So you might need more butter at this point. So what should that looks orange now?
It looks nice.
So there you have it, guys. That is how we make the buffalo sauce.
It looks good. Look at
does.
that. It's smooth. This is
Very
better than last time.
Now, I've seen some YouTubers, I've seen some recipes where they add cayenne. They add all kinds of stuff. But this is all you need, the basic recipe. And then from this, you can build on it. You can add the cayenne, you can add black pepper, whatever you want.
That looks amazing.
Awesome. So once these wings are done, at 15 minutes you said?
Yeah.
Do you turn them at any point?
Yeah, I turn them every 15 minutes. I do like last
times?
Last time I think I did 3 sets of 15, just to make sure that they were good. But I think I burned them a little bit, so this time will be different.
So maybe like 10 minutes
But
after?
I also use flour on them, so
This time they're not breaded.
no.
Okay. So once the 15 minutes are done, this is what we call naked wings. So these are naked buffalo wings. And
Ooh, you know what would be nice? To add some lemon juice.
you can. So after they cook this 15 minutes, as they are in there, what we're gonna do is turn them and cook for another 10 minutes. We're gonna plate these and show you what it looks like. All right, Elijah. Thank you so much for your recipe.
You gonna do it after?
I'll show after.
Right.
See you soon. All right, so we're doing another 10 minutes. Go for it.
No, I'm gonna do like right here.
What's right here?
There.
It's about 11 minutes. It's 10 minutes. See you soon. All right, guys. So comment below. Let me know what you think about these wings. We haven't even put the seasoning on it. What is it? The buffalo sauce?
Yeah.
Amazing. Let me take a picture. So what are you doing?
I'm gonna put all of them into a bowl.
Why you still got the mitt on?
You gotta be careful, man. That's a little white. Is that okay?
It's just not crispy, but you could put the sauce and put them in for a little more. That's why I always suggest when you're using the air fryer to flip every few minutes versus doing 15. Try to do like 10-minute, 5-minute increments and turn them.
Yeah. Well, they're cooked, so that's not a word.
Yeah, we already checked the temperature.
Yeah, I'm doing them one by one. Stop crying about it.
So once you put them all in, you like to toss them in the sauce at that point.
You'll see.
Once you put them in, so he's doing this. I told him to do it in the pan, but he said no, this is the proper way to do it. So I'll let the chef decide. Don't do that because all the grease is gonna go in there. No.
No, I'm trying to move them out of the way.
If you know how to use a fork, I could hold this for you. This is not hot.
It's not hot, so I've been doing this for nothing.
That's why I asked you why you had it. And the air fryer is about to dim because you didn't let it go the full 10 minutes.
So you're gonna put for 10 minutes, but you can get them out when it's, you know, brown to your liking. Voila. Now go. So are you gonna use it all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Smells good.
It really does.
No, don't put it there, please.
All right. Put it back over. Right. So you just want to evenly coat every single one. I don't have 2 bowls to shake them around in, but that's okay.
We have tongs. We can use tongs.
It's okay.
Don't fling some sauce on me.
It's gonna happen. I'm sorry. It's inevitable. All right.
Now at this point, if you desire, I sometimes suggest putting it back in the air fryer to crisp it up more. He just prefers it like this.
Yeah. I don't see why you need to. Actually, you know what? Maybe to crisp it up a little bit, but.
That's it, guys. This is the recipe by Elijah. Thanks for watching.